Matayoshi. I'm a real estate agent with Keller South Sound, and today we'll be touring this historic home in Adna, Washington. A special thank you to Paulette Eaton, the listing broker on this home. Let's go inside. So I love the approach to this home, the columns and the fully covered wood porch that greets you as you step up the steps here and enter the home into a grand entryway. The home is appointed with wood flooring throughout. As you enter here, you have a formal sitting area. As you work your way through the home, there's an area for gathering and for friends and family. Beautiful fireplace. And this room leads you right into the dining room, which is appointed with hardwood floor, wood casework, large windows throughout. One of my favorite features of the dining room is the lead glass. So as we exit the dining room, it leads right to the kitchen. This has to be my favorite room. It's beautifully updated with large leaf maple countertops with a story. The maple countertops actually come from a tree here in the front yard of the property. So if you'd like to see this home or any other home, please reach out to me and we'll set up a time for a walkthrough.